Namaste everyone, I am Amit. Today I will share a complete yoga practice for thyroid problem, both hypo and hyperthyroidism. The practice will include first few postures and then the breathing technique with relaxation. So let's begin. First posture, Kandrasan shoulder pose. Lie comfortably on the mat, bend the knees and place the sole of the feet on the floor. Keep the feet hip distance apart with heels touching the buttocks. Place palms on the mat with fingers touching the heel. With inhalation, the buttock and arch your back. Keep the weight on your shoulders and feet. Hold pose for comfortable length of time with normal breathing and then slowly lower the buttocks and come back to the starting position. Practice this for 5 rounds. Avoid this posture in severe hyperthyroidism or very enlarged goiter. Second posture is Vipreet Karniyasana, shoulder stand variation. Lie comfortably on the mat. Place palms close to the body with palm facing down. Raise both legs with the support of your palms. Last, raise the buttocks with legs over the head. Now place the palms on lower back for support. Your legs vertical and feet relax in final position. Weight of the body on the shoulders, elbows with trunk 45 degree with floor. Close the eyes and maintain pose in relaxed manner as long as comfortable. Slowly take legs over your head and place palms on the mat. Now lower the spine, buttocks and the legs on the floor. Do not lift your head and at last relax. Hold this posture for comfortable length of time. If you can, hold it for at least 10 breaths. The third posture is Matsyasana, fish pose. Together, palms under buttocks, facing down. Now lift head and look at your toes. Press the elbow on the mat and lift the chest up slowly. Lean the head back and touch the crown to the floor. Weight on the elbows. Hold for comfortable length of time and then slowly come back to the starting position. Hold this posture for at least 5 breaths and then relax. At last we will do Shavasana with Ujjayi breathing, also known as victorious breath. Lie comfortably on the mat with feet hip distance apart and palms beside the body facing upward. Keep your whole body relaxed and then become aware of the natural breath for a minute. As the relaxation spreads throughout the body, bring the awareness to your natural breath. Feel the sensation of breath at the throat. If you can, slightly contract the throat and make a soft snoring sound. And both inhalation and exhalation should be long, deep and controlled. Sound should be audible for the person alone. Do it for 10 breaths and then relax. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. If you have any question, please write in comment section. Thank you. Namaste.